Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screen resolutions in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So very easy guys. First click on Start, type here Settings. Click on Settings. Click on System. Click on Display. Here option Display Resolutions. So click on this drop box. Choice as you like. Fan to 2080 to 70 to 20. So select here. After click on Keep Change. Other way, right click. Click on Display Settings. Select here Display Resolutions. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change the screen resolution in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for the latest update.